Well, the dog patrol. Hey! Oh boy. That's the mean one?
She's mean.
Oh. Oh. Well, we got the Iveco. Got the girls. We're pulling the trailer out, if possible. As long as I don't get attacked by one of these. Do that again, make her scratch. Look at her.
She's too little for you. Jackie, really? You're like 35.
Here's the Iveco, and we got a trailer we're picking up and pulling. The girls are in it. Smiles on their faces. You ready? This is all right. We're getting ready to go. We're pulling this trailer out. Everything looks good. Resort by Fleetwood. I'm hoping we'll be all right. I think we will be all right. Yep. We're gonna try it. How to put air in the tires. Ready, ladies? Trista found a new use for a deer whistle. Go ahead.
No.
Show me.
Just do it.
A deer whistle.
A nose whistle.